Hey guys, it's Gabby, dental hygienist from Toronto, and I'm doing a special unboxing today. Recently I read from the survey conducted by the CDHA, Canadian Dental Hygienists Association, that 4 in 10 Canadians have seen a dental hygienist since March 2020. That means over 50% of Canadians still have not come in for their oral health maintenance. There could be multiple reasons why, and one big one on everyone's mind is the concern about their safety. So when designing 416 Dentistry, safety was our top priority. We did a lot of research and we found that the best air purifier was Surgically Clean Air JADE. I'm going to unbox this unit and we can see what's inside. JADE air purifiers are used in hospitals, medical labs, dental clinics to clean and sterilize indoor air. The HEPA filter cleans big particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, bacteria, and mold. And then there's another filter, the activated carbon filter, that absorbs and captures VOCs from cleaning chemicals, third-hand smoke, and perfumes. And there's a UV light in there that will kill the rest of anything else that's left in the air. Then something else that's really cool is there's a revitalizing chamber that creates negative ions by releasing them into the air, and it's supposed to give you more energy. At the highest speed, JADE has an airflow of 406 CFM, and in combination with the air from the HVAC, that means in our hygiene ops, we have a settling time of 8 minutes. After we get the JADE installed in our operatories, we'll let you know what we think about it. Thanks for checking out this video and stay safe, everyone.